disease-causing microorganism, also known as a pathogen, enters the body, the innate immune system starts to defend the body and is later joined by the adaptive immune system. The innate immune system is non-specific and acts as a general defense against any antigen. An antigen is a foreign substance that's not part of your body. They are extremely specific and found all over a pathogen, which allows the immune system to recognize and respond to it. The innate immune system consists of physical barriers such as your skin, immune cells, chemicals that inhibit the growth of pathogen. Immune cells such as dendritic cells and macrophages are antigen-presenting cells. They engulf pathogens, break them down into little pieces, and present the specific antigen so that the adaptive immune system can be activated. Even though the innate immune system is not specific, it acts as a general defense immediately upon infection. The adaptive immune system takes a few days but is specific to the antigen. Like all blood cells, T cells and B cells are made in the bone marrow, but T cells migrate to the thymus where it matures, and B cells matures in the bone marrow. Dendritic cells and macrophages engulf a pathogen and present the specific antigen until it is recognized by an immature naive T helper cell. The antigen presenting cell then secretes interleukin-1. Interleukins are cytokines. So antigen presenting cell secretes interleukin-1, which activates a T helper cell to secrete interleukin-2. This secreted interleukin-2 then goes back to the same T helper cell and activates it to become a mature T helper cell. These mature T helper cells activate B cells to become either antibody factories, which produce antibodies that act as a specific defense, or they become memory B cells that are important upon subsequent infections. Opsonization is when antibodies covers the entire antigen or pathogen, making it easier to be engulfed by macrophages or dendritic cells. This concludes how the body reacts the first time it is infected with the antigen. Upon future infections, the memory B cells will then be activated immediately and start creating antibodies specific to this disease-causing pathogen. If you get sick once and you survive, you will not get the same disease again. Some of you might be thinking, but then why do I get the flu every year? Well, that's because of mutations. So you are not infected with the exact same pathogen as you were last year. The pathogen is slightly different, which means that the body must start all over. Please comment any questions below and do not subscribe.